Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2018 Mitsubishi Pajero Exceed, stock reference number 5604. The shape runs from the 9th month 2008 through to the 4th month 2021. It has a 4M41 3.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic four-wheel drive transmission. 4M41 3.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the left-hand guard, appears to have no damage. Left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door has no damage. Left rear door has no damage. Pair of factory side steps with all bolts and brackets. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left-hand tail light. Bumper cover. Factory fitted tow bar with all bolts, brackets and loon with neck. Spare wheel cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right hand side step sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets. Both right hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It has an automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, Rockford touchscreen media player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with wood grain, cruise, audio and phone buttons.